New ruffle hairband coming up. Hello crafters, welcome to Anju Risa's crafting room. My name is Risa, but you are free to call me Risa. I really love crafting and currently I'm so into hair accessories. If you also love hair accessories like hair bows, turbans, hairbands, you can check out my previous videos in this channel. And if you can't find something that you like or you want, you can also send me a message through my email or Instagram. I got a request from Manisa Accessories. Hi Risa, I wish you're doing well. Thank you. I just want to ask you about the tutorial for this headband. Please, I will cover the pictures. I'm afraid it's a copyright content. Thank you Manisa for the inspiration. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. First, let us prepare the hairband. You can use any size for the hairband, literally. Next, we have to prepare a hard fabric. This is actually a fabric for collar to make the band on our skirt. If you don't want to use this hard fabric, I will recommend you to use a wider hairband. I can't find a hairband that is wider than this size, so I think I will use this hard fabric. The width of this hard fabric will be the width of our hairband. As you can see, my hard fabric's width is about 4 centimeters or 1.5 inch, and the size of my hairband it will be a little wider than the 4 centimeters. Now, make sure that when you cut this fabric, it is bigger than the hairband because we want to attach this to our hairband. So let us prepare a hot glue gun. Let's prepare a hot glue gun. Now you can attach the fabric to the upper part of this hairband like this, or you can attach it on the lower part of the hairband. I will attach this to the lower part of my hairband so it will be literally invisible once we cover it with our fabric. As you can see, we can barely see any hairband or the hard fabric. So I will attach this here. After we finish attach the hard fabric, now I will cut the shape. It's slowly going smaller. It doesn't have to be exact size, just use your hunch to cut the shape. Like this. And repeat on the other side. As you can see, it will be our hairband shape. Next, let us prepare the fabric. Prepare the fabric. You can use any fabric for this. You can use cotton like this. This is cotton. And you can even use satin for this. So, whatever for your handmade. The size is about 7 centimeters for the length, and for the width it should be 3 times the size of our hairband, the width of our hairband. So if my hairband size is 4 centimeters, the width of this fabric should be 3 times the size of this, so it's 12 centimeters. So if you use another white hairband like this is 3 centimeters width. The width of your fabric should be 3 times, that is 9 centimeters. And keep in mind, if you can find a wider fabric, a wider hairband, you don't need to use this hard fabric. You can directly prepare your fabric. Let's get ready to sew. Now, as you can see, this is the front part and this is the back, the wrong side. You can fold it like this, just a little, to easily close the raw edges for later. And then you can sew all along the fabric. We actually going to sew a ruffle pattern all along the fabric. You can also fold it like this. We're actually going to sew a ruffle pattern all along the fabric. If you have this ruffle presser foot, it will be way much easier and it's very time saving. You can directly take the fabric to the sewing machine and use this ruffle presser foot. It will make a beautiful ruffle pattern. So much time saving. You can check out this in the description below. If you are making this headband for your small business or for sale, I will recommend you to get yourself this ruffle presser foot and thank me later. You're welcome. But what if you don't have this ruffle presser foot and you just want to try making this hairband? I would say that we can manually fold the fabric. But first, let's sew all along the fabric using a straight stitch to make it easier, especially for a beginner. Remember to fold your fabric a little to make it easy for us to finish the edge for finishing. So let's start sewing with a back stitch. Remember to fold the edge of the fabric to make it easy to finish the raw edges of the hairband for later. And then after we sew a straight line all along the fabric, you can sew a little here. Next, you can take any fork or ruler to push this. So you can push this and continue sewing. And just push this and continue sewing. I will use fork. It's easier, I think. Just push this here. Remember, if you have a ruffle presser foot, it will be much easier and very time saving. Trust me. As you can see, we sew a ruffle pattern, or we call this a pleated pattern, all along the fabric. And trust me, if you have this ruffle foot, it would be much easier and it's prettier. I will show you the difference after we finish this hairband. Now let us turn the fabric right side out. Now after we turn the fabric, we are going to insert this hairband inside. Make sure that the pleated here is on the front side of our hairband. So let's put this inside. After we insert the hairband, let's prepare a hot glue gun once again. Now to finish the edge of the hairband, as you can see, this is the one that we fold at the beginning. We can easily tuck this inside like this. And we are going to attach some glue right here to close the end of the hairband. And you can see this is the one we made by manually folding the pleat, and this is the one I made with using this ruffle foot. As you can see, I would prefer this one. It's much tidy and neat. If you can't see the difference, I think I am doing well with the folds. Okay, that's it. Our beautiful ruffle headband is finished. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this tutorial useful, please give me a like and share this video. If you don't, it's not a problem. Just hit the dislike button and tell me below about what you don't like. See you in my next video. Bye bye!